Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you 5 different lipsticks that I got from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description box, you can definitely check them out. These lipsticks are not like new launches or anything, but I had them in my wish list for a long time and finally I just gave in and I got a few of them. I got these 5 lipsticks from 2 different brands, that is Maybelline and Mars. So out of all the recent launches, these were the 2 that I was most excited about. I saw every influencer speak about them and they were all over my social media, so I had to get them. And so the 2 lipsticks that I got are from Maybelline and Mars, and I got different shades in them. I'll talk about the Maybelline one first and then I'll move on to Mars. So I got 2 different shades from the Maybelline Serum Matte range. They also have a satin variant, but I'm not a huge fan of satin lipsticks, so I got the matte ones instead. But they have a very comfortable non-drying creamy matte formula. These are not like your super drying matte lipsticks. They are very creamy and they glide on your lips very easily, and they'll give you a very smooth lipstick application. So the first shade that I got is called Hold the Door, and like I mentioned, it's a matte lipstick and this is how the shade looks like.
It's a mid-tone mauve shade with a soft pinky brown undertone.
Nude lipstick. I usually gravitate towards these colors a lot. These are extremely pigmented and very comfortable. Bullet lipstick.
Like you can see, it has one swipe pigmentation and it's extremely comfortable on the lips.
The second shade that I got from this range is called Excuse Me, and this is how the shade looks like.
It's a caramel brown shade.
This one again is a nude lipstick and here is a swatch for you. Both of these shades are very similar. There's a very subtle difference between them. The shade Hold the Door has hints of pink in it, while the other shade, Excuse Me, has a bit of brown. So that is the difference between them. Other than that, they are very comfortable creamy matte lipsticks. Lovely formula. You can definitely try 1 or 2 shades from them. I don't really wear reds and pinks, so I did not get them. I usually gravitate towards these colors, and maybe I have so many similar shades in my collection, but these are the only colors that I wear, so I got these 2 shades and I really like them. You can definitely check them out. Since they are so creamy and comfortable, they will transfer and you will have to keep on reapplying them, but something that I like about these lipsticks is that they fade evenly. So these were the 2 Maybelline lipsticks that I got. I also really like the packaging. Look at it, it's so stunning. So these were the first 2 lipsticks. You can definitely try them out. The next 3 lipsticks that I got are from Mars. This is from their Mousse Matte lipstick range, and I got 3 shades. They come in a cardboard box like this, and these are not bullet lipsticks. These are liquid lipsticks, but not the drying kind. These have a smooth velvety moussey texture and the formula is very comfortable, very hydrating. I'll just swatch the 3 shades for you. The first shade that I have is called Showstopper, and this is how it looks.
It comes with a doe foot applicator. This mousse lipstick provides bold color payoff in just 1 swipe. It's such a vibrant, bold and highly pigmented brown shade with hints of red, and it has a soft, comfortable matte finish. It's a rich, versatile brown that flatters all Indian skin tones. Its airy mousse texture glides effortlessly across the lips, creating a smooth and comfortable feel without dryness.
These lipsticks are so comfortable on the lips. They have a very smooth finish and they will completely blur out your lip lines, and they don't settle into the cracks, and they won't give you that ugly look. If you eat and drink anything, they will definitely transfer, but they fade evenly, so that is not a problem. You can just reapply them. I love the texture of these lipsticks. These are easily comparable to any high-end mousse matte lipsticks that I have tried, like the MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks have a similar finish, and the texture is very similar, and these are that good. The second shade that I have is Trendsetter, and this is how it looks. I'll give you a swatch. This is how it looks on my lips, and I wear lipsticks directly. I do not use any lip liner. Please don't go by my lipstick application, just look at the beautiful shade. This is the shade Trendsetter, definitely deeper than the first shade. It's got more brown. The first one had hints of red in it, but this one is more brown, and it's a very beautiful shade. Will work perfectly with smoky eyes. So this is the shade Trendsetter, such a beautiful color. Absolutely love it. I think this is my favorite shade from the three that I got. The last shade that I have for you is called Queen, and let me just swatch it for you.
The shade Queen is a highly flattering warm rosy brown nude.
This is the shade Queen, and you can see the first and the third shades are quite similar, but there are subtle differences. This is more red and this is more brown. All the three shades will look stunning on
most Indian skin tones.
Also, you can wear these lipsticks with any kind of eye makeup, and I think they will work, especially if you like doing black or brown smoky eyes. So these are the shades that I got. Queen is like a proper nude lipstick, while Showstopper has hints of red in it, and Trendsetter is a deep brown shade. So these were the three shades that I got from Mars. Absolutely love them. I had got the shade Style Icon from the same range, but I gifted it to my sister-in-law and she absolutely loved it. That shade was darker, more chocolatey. I got these three shades for myself and I absolutely love them. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I'll have all the product links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.